Hello, my name is Angela Carmen. Today is January 31st, 2018, and we are week 4 microbiology. So right now I'm getting ready to set up my bacteria for catalase testing. So the catalase test is used to differentiate the staphylococci catalase negative or catalase positive. And the enzyme catalase is produced by bacteria that respire using oxygen and protects them from toxic byproducts of oxygen metabolism. So I have my E. coli plate and my E. epidermidis plate, and I'm going to go ahead and get started here. So I have my inoculation loop that I'm going to collect colonies from and then transfer the colonies to my labeled slides that I have down here as well. Once that's done, I'm going to put a drop of hydrogen peroxide onto this sample and observe it for the formation of the oxygen bubbles. And so if there's no bubbles, then that means it's a negative test. So I only grabbed one inoculation loop, so I'm going to grab one more. I'm going to place them in my alcohol here to sterilize. Okay, so let's get started. So first I'm going to start with the E. coli sample. Okay, so I'm going to remove this inoculation loop, shaking it to dry from the alcohol. So I have my E. coli, and I'm going to go ahead, gather some colonies, and place it on my slide. Ooh. Okay. So I did put like a dime size circle on each of my slides. So I've spread that there. That was for E. coli. Now I'm getting ready to do the S. epidermidis. Alright. So I'm going to let these sit and bleach. So I'm going ahead, grab some colonies. Okay, now that I have done that, I'm going to pipette 1 drop of the oxygen peroxide. Let me move these samples. Oh, back here, there we go. Now you can see them. Okay, so I had my pipette here, but it looks like I misplaced it, so I'm going to, oh, here it goes, okay. All right, so I have my hydrogen peroxide here, and I'm just going to drop 1 drop And since my hydrogen peroxide kind of comes in one of these, I don't really need to use my pipette. I'll just make sure to place 1 drop on the slide. So first I'll do the E. coli. Ooh, and it's bubbling. Let me bring this closer so you could see. So the E. coli is bubbling. So now let me go ahead and switch over to the E. epidermidis. And this one looks as if it is bubbling a little bit as well. Not quite as much as the E. coli. Actually, let's see. Let me bring it a little closer. So you could see it's actually not really bubbling, but the E. coli is. At first it kind of looked like it was. Okay. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so now I'm going to record the data into my lab assistant report and then clean up using my bleach and everything. But again, this was the Catalase testing, excuse me, using my E. coli and S. epidermidis. And then I'm going to put away my samples, my plates of E. coli and S. epidermidis for later use. Thank you for watching.